In this video, I'll be showing how to tie a bowline knot. What I'm first going to do is put a loop into this side of the line. Now taking this end of the line, I'm going to go underneath and through this loop, and then around this side of the rope and back through the hole that is our bowline knot. Easiest way to remember which direction to twist the loop in this line, and the fastest way to make this knot is to take the end of the rope into fingers. Go over this line and spin your fingers around. You'll have this line coming through the hole already, and this loop will be in the proper direction. You now just come around there and back through the hole.